Hi, I'm Dr. Rick Smith. I'm a chiropractor of 35 years from Central Florida. And I've had a very large practice, a very progressive practice in which we have used a lot of different instruments in the past, and we try to stay on top of things that are new and exciting and helpful to our patients. I got introduced to Avazzia by a person who was in training with me for another similar unit, and when she found out about Avazzia, she couldn't wait to tell me about it, and therefore that's how we got involved with it. So we've been involved a few months now. It has literally changed my practice. We are doing Avazzia techniques for most of our therapy now, and I told Tim Smith, the CEO of Avazzia, that if I had to get rid of everything in my practice, the only thing I wouldn't get rid of is the Avazzia and my adjusting table and my hands, because I could literally treat people, get excellent results with those three things. So I personally have a testimonial myself, because I suffer from pain in my lower back and down my right leg. And that is from a defect I was born with, which deteriorated over time. I had surgery, a microsurgery done about 4 years ago, which gave me about a year of relief, and then it came back with a vengeance. And I've been looking for relief for this for quite some time now, about 3 years. And the first time that I used the Avazzia unit on me, it relieved the pain within just a few minutes, and it lasted for 1 to 4 days every time that I used it. So I have that personal experience. I think the fact that I'm a chiropractor and that I've had personal experience with pain makes me more empathetic toward my patients, and it makes me also search for things that are very effective so that we can help our patients the best we can, because I've experienced that myself. So in our practice, we have seen many miracles because of the Avazzia units. These devices are wonderful. They have a biofeedback mechanism that tells us when where the patient needs to be treated and when the treatment is over. And I always tell my patients, when the treatment's over, the treatment's just begun, because it actually makes a change in the tissues so that you can actually get over what your problem is. So we have very, very numerous stories about people who have gotten some tremendous relief with this. We also sell the units to them for home use, because a lot of people that have chronic pain, and you can only get them so much better, they need some help without having to run to the doctor's office every day to get relief from pain. Now, I want to tell you this. My motto in our clinic purpose mission statement used to be to deliver quality chiropractic care to as many people as possible. That has now changed. What I have now as a mission statement and a purpose statement for our clinic is that we want to get you better, faster, and less dependent on doctor's visits and medication. And we have been able to do that with the Avazzia devices. The Avazzia training that we have received, I'm talking about me and my staff, has been wonderful. We have been several times under the tutorship of Gail Noss, who has been training us. We have gotten so turned on to this that one of my staff members and myself are going to become certified trainers also, because this is such a wonderful device.